Okay, so what I did with my henna is that I just cut off the tip just a little bit because it was just a little bit too small. And so you want to definitely start on a flat surface, pick the design that you want. Well, I started the first part of my design. I did choose a flower, and I found that the best way to do that design is to work from the inside out. So I started from the middle and then I worked my way outward. I had to cut a little bit off of the end of my henna cone because the henna just wasn't gliding just right. And you kind of have to think of it like frosting. Like decorating cookies, you want your frosting to be smooth and pretty, and that's exactly the consistency that you're going to want your henna. I just take paper towels and I practice on those, and then just make sure to wipe off your henna cone periodically, or it can get kind of sloppy. You want to keep those lines nice and clean. So what I ended up doing is that I ended up rolling my henna cone just like you would frosting. And then just continued on with my design. Okay, so here is my finished product. Take the lemon juice mixture and then just make a light coating over the entire design. Let that dry for about 5 minutes. And then that will sit on your hand until the henna starts to come off, which is okay. Once it starts to peel off, the color will start setting in, and then you'll have a beautiful henna design.